Cambridge Internationalist Level Sociology, the family.
What are the different family and household forms, including nuclear, extended, lone parent, reconstituted, same-sex families, families of choices and single-person households? There are various family and household forms that exist within societies, each characterized by different structures, relationships, and dynamics. Here's an overview of some of the most common forms. Nuclear family. The nuclear family consists of two parents, typically a heterosexual married or cohabiting couple, and their biological or adopted children living together in the same household. It is often considered the traditional family form in many societies. Extended family. The extended family includes relatives beyond the nuclear family unit, such as grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, and other kin, living together or in close proximity. Extended families may provide additional support networks and caregiving arrangements. Lone parent family. Lone parent families consist of one parent, either a single mother or single father, raising one or more children without the presence of a partner or spouse. Lone parent families can result from divorce, separation, widowhood, or choice. Reconstituted family, blended family. Reconstituted families form when one or both partners in a couple have children from previous relationships or marriages, and they merge to form a new family unit. These families may include step-parents, step-siblings, and half-siblings. Same-sex families. Same-sex families are composed of couples of the same gender who are in a committed relationship and may choose to raise children together through adoption, surrogacy, or other means. Same-sex families challenge traditional notions of family structure and parenting roles. Families of choice, chosen families. Families of choice are formed through non-biological relationships, where individuals choose to create familial bonds with friends, partners, or other social connections. These families may provide emotional support, caregiving, and companionship similar to biological or legal families. Single-person households. Single-person households consist of individuals living alone without any family members or roommates. Single-person households may result from various factors, including personal choice, lifestyle preferences, or life circumstances such as divorce, widowhood, or migration. These family and household forms reflect the diverse ways in which individuals form familial relationships, live together, and provide support and care for one another within societies. Understanding and recognizing this diversity is essential for promoting inclusivity, equity, and support for all types of families and households.